Guys, welcome back again. If this is your first time seeing me, it's your girl Cheesy P, and if you're a returning subscriber watching my video, thank you so much for your support. In today's video, we're going to be trying E.L.F Hydrating Core Lip Shine. So I have about 5 shades of this lipstick, which I'm going to be trying out with lip liner and without lip liner. And if you are interested in watching this video, please sit right where you are. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button, like and comment. So without wasting you guys too much time, let's go straight to the video. What I'm going to be trying is called Joyful. I don't know if you can see it. This is what it looks like on my skin, without lip liner.
Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off.
Coming in with my lip liner. So the next one I'm going to be trying is Happy, and it's like on my skin, and I'm coming in without lip liner.
I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded.
The next one I'm going to be trying is it's called Delightful. And this is what it looks like on my skin. Coming in without a lip liner.
You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever want to give me wings. You don't ever want to set me free. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Out of my head, under my bed, thinking something.
The one I'm going to be trying, it's called Lovely. This is what it looks like on my skin without a lip liner.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
So the one I've tried looks amazing and it's really nice. So coming in with the last one, it's called Estatic, and here it is. I don't know if you can see it, and this is what it looks like on my skin, coming in without lip liner.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this.
Guys, I'm done trying this lipstick, and to be honest with you guys, this lip shine is really amazing. I like the texture, the way it feels when you apply it. The texture is really good, and the thing I like about it is when you apply it to your lips, it's really nice. The smell is good, and you can even wear this lip shine without lip liner. When you put it on your lips without lip liner, it's nice. With lip liner, it's also good. It's also giving. So which is something I like about it. And I don't know what you guys think about this lip shine, but if you have used it before, I would love to know what you think about it. And if you're still watching this video, you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, like and comment, share this video to your loved ones. And I would love to tell you guys, please, if you're watching my video, please make sure you click on the like button, because it helps my channel, and I will be happy if you do that. I'll appreciate that, and thank you so much. See you on the next one.